This is a piano tutorial on Joy to the World, this time as a piano accompanist. And so we're going to show you the three chords here that I showed you for your left hand and your right hand this time. C, F like this, C, F, A, G7, B, or you can add the D there, it's a little less awkward, B, D, F, G like that. And then when you play a C chord, it's a C note down here for your root note, F, G7, C, and you sing on top of that. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart prepare him room. And heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing, and heaven and nature sing. Really pretty easy there, and if you can play that one for your family at Christmas, they'll be really happy.